Yo, what's up guys? Loops here, back with another video. Today, I'm officially gonna start launching the car. I've never launched a car before, the entire time that I've owned this car for the past 5 years. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty nerve-wracking for sure. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but yeah, it's time that I actually learn how to launch my own car. I did have some issues not too long ago with my timing belt. I used to have the IAG clear timing covers on the car, and those timing covers pretty much they like melted and broke. They're like acrylic, I want to say, so once they get exposed to some type of cracking and heat, they just explode. So that's essentially what happened. I think one of the pieces of plastic from that acrylic timing cover that broke off, I think got wedged in between my timing belt and the cam gear for the it was the passenger side exhaust, and I think that caused my car to skip a tooth on that one gear. It was pretty bad. Like it was super weird. Like I was just testing my car out, and then out of nowhere, like I heard like a crackling noise, but the crackling noise just kind of sounded like me just running over rocks and just picking up rocks and just spitting them on my fender liner. But in reality, that was my timing cover pretty much just exploding and shattering. So yeah, that was fun. I got really lucky. The fact that it only skipped one tooth, if it would have been 2, 3, like it probably would have damaged some valves. But yeah, I got super lucky with that. I ended up redoing my timing belt. I did put OEM covers this time. Just stick to OEM, don't get anything aftermarket, just stick to OEM covers. There's no point in going aftermarket for the timing covers anyways. The clear ones, they turn brown or black like literally within a week or two. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys just how my whole timing belt looks now. Man, the new covers from Subaru just look so good. So yeah, just check it out guys. All right, so here it is now with the OEM black timing covers. Honestly, when they're brand new and OEM, like they just look really, really good. But yeah, that was crazy. I got super lucky with that. I have a timing cover somewhere, which I think I could probably show you guys, but yeah, and then I did kind of make a mess because I had to rebleed my coolant system. But yeah, she is running great. Rolling anti-lag works like a charm. Yeah, this thing gets it for sure. All right, well here's the one from the driver's side. And this is how I came back with the car. So you can see it's cracking right here in the corner. It's cracking over here as well. These covers just crack and then they just explode. Like there was no impact. And then the other side, for the passenger side, was actually completely gone and melted. So yeah, fun stuff. Don't buy these covers, just stick to OEM. It's honestly the best way to go about things. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. I'm gonna drive us out to the middle of nowhere and start testing it out. Hoping I don't break anything. I always seem to break something whenever I test something new. So yeah, we'll see. Hopefully it holds up. I have a feature coming on too, so I need to make sure it's running for that feature. So I'm really trying to dial everything in before I actually get the feature going on. But you guys will see later on who it's with, what it's about, and so on and so forth. But yeah, just thank you guys so much for the support, and yeah, let's get on out of here. Man, this thing's so awesome. For any of you guys buying these CAE shifters, I would recommend to get some poly mounts if you can, or some complete just stiff mounts for the engine and the trans, because this is mounted to the chassis now and it's not really mounted on your trans per se. The only thing that's mounted on your trans is just the linkage. So if you have some play within the trans and the engine, so whenever you're shifting and it's kind of moving around, it's gonna essentially change the way that the shifter is lined up. I'm kind of starting to experience this issue where like I'll try to go into like third, and trying to go into third, it just won't really want to go in, or I'll miss that gear because there is a shift going on. It's not all the time that I have that issue, but I am kind of having that issue where I'm missing third every once in a while. But yeah, all right, let's get on out of here. All right, well, we are here, literally in the middle of nowhere. I still have signal in case my car breaks down on me, but yeah, we'll see how she does. Very interested to see how I'm gonna be doing with the launches on this car, since I've just never launched it before. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna set you guys on up, probably more down the road over there. Just give it a test shot. Well, that is pretty much that. Looks like some security ended up showing up, so it is what it is. I'll let this thing cool down for a little bit, and then I'll show you guys some flat shifting. Alright, it's be rolling its flag on 35 PSI. Rowdy. Super rowdy. Alright, and I am back. So, yeah, that was fun. I definitely need to practice launching the car because I suck. But that's perfectly fine. The car is at least handling the abuse that I was giving it today. So it's a good sign because definitely need to work on slipping the clutch out a bit more to actually get this thing going. But yeah, she's running awesome. She's running perfectly, just how I wanted her to. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really appreciate you guys so much for watching. And y'all take care. Please stay safe. And I'll catch you guys later. All right, peace. Oh yeah, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, appreciate you guys.